Is your website menu too hard to use or just a plain boring? Well, a mega menu can fix that. So if it's an e-commerce store, a blog store, or any type of website, mega menu can fix that issue easily. Let's say you have a lot of pages and different categories in your website. So instead of using a default menu with only few pages, let's say you want to create a mega menu like this, where you can add all the pages and categories on your site. So your visitors can easily find all the categories and pages that they want right from your menu. So in this video, I will show you step by step on how to create a mega menu from the beginning to the end, and there is no coding skill required. So let me dive in by taking you to my computer screen. So as you can see, this is my WordPress website, the current look. There is no menu in the header. So if I visit the WordPress dashboard, so at first let me create a basic menu. So I have a lot of pages. Let me create a menu with these pages, and after that I will show you how to create the ultimate mega menu. If I go to the menu, let's create a menu. Let's name it main menu. So just save it. After that, I want to collect some pages. Let's say home page, services, shop page, or let's select all the pages now. So under that, if I save it, let's rearrange this a little bit. Okay, save it. Now, if I want to edit the header, because I have to display this, right, this option here. So it's being loaded. So once this loads the interface, let's just select the menu. We have the main one, which is this one. So if I publish it now, this is how it actually looks. Okay, so when you click on shop, it will visit to the shop page. But when you get the mouse, which is called hover, so when you hover the mouse, it shows nothing. So exactly this is where I will create the mega menu. So to create the mega menu, I have to install a new plugin. If I go to plugins and then add new, I want to upload this plugin, which is jet menu. I will attach the menu link in the comment box or in the description so that you can just purchase and download. So I just want to install this now and activate. So once it is activated, if I go to appearance and then menus, let me close this as I don't need this now. So after the shop, can you see there is a setting enabled now? You will not see the setting until you install that plugin. Now, as you have that plugin, so you see the setting. So once I click to the setting, it is asking me if I want to use mega menu. Yes. So just select the check. Which editor I'd like to use. I want to use Elementor, and mega menu position, let's say, let's keep it default. I want to show you something elaborate. So just save it for now. Okay, so once it is saved, just click edit mega menu. So now I will be able to design the menu actually. So once I have this interface, let's say, let's take 4 column or maybe just 3 columns, let's say. Delete this one. I want to have just 3. So if I make it 33, if I make this one 33, and then this one has to be 33. Okay, that's good now. So after that, if I want to use a image here, let's say I want to use an image and I want to take some images from Pixels. It's a copyright free image source from exactly where you can collect any image. Let's say t-shirt. So once you search, you will see some designs. So let's say I want to collect this one. I just save it, and then I want to use it right here. If I upload the image, this will be displayed to the mega menu option. So it's being uploaded. Once it is uploaded, click select. The image is uploaded. You can customize the size. Let's make it 60. Okay, make it left. And for this entire section, if I do this, as you can see, the color is changed. Now after the image, I want to show some designs, some categories for the tag, for the t-shirts actually. So to do that, if I take list, let's say I want to take icon list, and then let's just make it visible first. If I make it black, and then I don't need any icon for now, so I just click like this. Let's say men's shirt. The other one is women's shirt, unisex shirts. Okay, so this is how it will look. We can even customize it in a better way. So for that, if I want to take that section like this again, because once you do this, it will be closed. So this is another reminder for you. So make sure to save it before it is disappeared. So let's delete something. Let's make it 33. I'm showing you quick fast, as you already know how to do this. 33, and this one has to be 33. So I just publish it. Now I want to take image. We already know which image, so just save it and make it 60. Make it left. For the other one, if I show you the list, and we just delete the icon, men's shirt, women's shirt, and the other one is unisex shirts. If I publish it now, and also if I change the color and make the text color to be black from the white, if I do it like this, if I want to make it a little bit bold, let's make it 700. It doesn't look good. Let's make it 600. Okay. If I publish it, and if I come here and reload, you will not see any change. Do you know why? Because when you do it, you have to make sure you're using the mega menu option. It's a different menu. It is not the typical menu. So you just have to come to the header. And after that, if you just delete this and get a menu or search mega menu. So let's use this vertical mega menu here. Delete the older one, this one, and just select the main menu. You will see we're using the vertical one now. So if I use the other one, if you see, this is how it is showing now. Let me show you. If I publish it and if I reload, after the shop, it shows like this. You can even display it sometimes, but as we are not going to do it now, so we will need another menu. So let's just search mega menu. So we will use this one, and we want to delete this one. So now if I select the main one and just click publish, Now if I come and under the shop, you see the men's collection. So from there, if I want to add that, let's say from the dashboard, from the products and then categories, this is a category. We have to add the women's, and then the other one is unisex shirts. So we just have to copy all these links. So this is the main one, which is the men's. So if I put the link men's one, okay, for the women's t-shirt link, we have to visit this page again and click view and then collect the link and then paste it to the women's one. And for the unisex, if I come here again and view the unisex, copy this and then paste here. Now if I click publish and reload, as you can see, we have the men, women and unisex. So if I click men's t-shirt, it is visiting you to the men's t-shirt page. But as we don't have any product, this is why it is not showing any product. You can upload any product here. So let's say we want to add another one like this one. So I can entirely duplicate this section and delete the blank one. So it is duplicated. Now, let's say instead of this, I want to have some shoes. Let's just collect some image shoes. From the shoes, let's say I want to add this one. So just come here and click upload. This is the shoes. Let's say I just want to change it to shoes, and for this women's shoes, and let's say boots or something. So in the same way you can put the link. And also for the next one, if I duplicate this and just delete this, for this one, let's say wallet. Let's say this one. If I save it and then I want to replace it by wallet, open it. Okay, so the wallet image is also here. So let's say a leather wallet. Artificial wallet, and let's say premium collection. So done. If I save it now and come to the website, just reload, and you see for the men's t-shirt, women's t-shirt and shirts, and then wallet, this is how actually you can do this. And if you click this leather wallet, it should be visited to your leather wallet, because you have already created your leather wallet collection categories from the category as I showed. From here, you just have to create the category and then add it to this collections. That's it. This is how actually you can create any type of mega menus. Even if you want to have some options under the services, follow the same process and design a beautiful mega menu using Jet Menu plugin. So that's it. You have just learned how to create a fully functional and well-designed, well-organized mega menu using WordPress Jet Menu plugin. So your website and navigation is fully functional now. And I hope this video was helpful for you. If you think this video was helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question, please comment down below. And thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.